Good morning, everyone. My today's topic is our clothes. Clothes are one of our basic needs. We wear clothes mainly to protect our bodies from weather conditions like heat, cold, rain, etc. We wear different types of clothes according to the climate, occupation, culture, tradition, and daily needs. The clothes that we wear daily, the towels, the curtains, etc., are made up of different types of fabrics. Fabric is commonly called a cloth. Fabric are made from certain types of fibers. Fibers are long, strong, and flexible thread like materials. These are of two types, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers are the fibers which we obtain from plants or animals naturally. वो fibers जो कि हम naturally obtain करते हैं plants या animals से उन्हें हम natural fibers कहते हैं. And the fibers which we make from different chemicals in the industries are called human made fibers, मैन मेड फाइबर्स और आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स. वो फाइबर्स जो कि ह्यूमन मेड होते हैं, जो इंसान बनाता है फैक्ट्रीज में विद द हेल्प ऑफ केमिकल्स, आर मैन मेड फाइबर्स. some examples of man made fibers are nylon, rayon, etc. And natural fibers are cotton, wool, silk, etc. Understood? We use different kinds of fabric for making clothes for different season and occasion. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool, and in winter season, we wear woolen clothes which keeps us warm. Now we will learn about the journey of fabric from fiber. Fiber से fabric कैसे बनता है? Natural fibers are hair-like material obtained from animals or plants. They have to undergo many step by step processes to become the strong and durable long fiber, which can be woven into fabrics. First process is spinning. Spinning is the process in which what fiber is changing into yarn. The process of changing fiber to yarn is spinning. Spinning draws out short fibers from the cotton wool and twists them together to form a long continuous thread called yarn. Hand spindle or charkha are the two hand operated devices used for spinning. In rural areas, people still use charkha for making thread. Spinning of yarn on large scale is done on spinning machine. Now, another process is weaving. Weaving, in this process, it is a process to convert yarn into cloth. yarn को जब cloth में convert करते हैं, weaving कहते हैं उस process को. It is the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric with the help of hand loom or power loom. Weavers weaving on small scale use hand looms, and on large scale cotton fabrics are made by big machines that run on electricity. These machines are called power looms. And the third and the last process is finishing of the fabric. How they finish the fabric की finishing किस तरीके से की जाती है? The third and final step has 3 stages: dyeing, printing, and special treatment of fabric. Dyeing. In dyeing, it is a process of coloring the fabric. डाइंग में क्या किया जाता है? कलर किया जाता है फैब्रिक को कैसे कलर करेंगे? आपने देखा होगा जब आप बाहर जाते हैं, जब आपकी मदर क्लोथ्स डाई कराने चाहते हैं या दुपट्टा डाई कराने चाहते हैं, तो वो किस तरीके से करते हैं? फॉर दिस द फैब्रिक इज पुट इन टू द लार्ज वेसल ऑफ हॉट वाटर विद डिफरेंट कलर्स. फाइन. दिस फैब्रिक इज स्टिर्ड फॉर सम टाइम. थोड़ी देर उसको उसी में रखकर हिलाया जाता है. And then it is removed from the vessel and is dried. Now the colored fabric is ready to use or print. उसके बाद जो फैब्रिक पर कलर आ जाता है वो यूज़ करने के लिए वो रेडी है. Another process is printing. It involves forming of various designs and patterns on the colored fabric. There are many different types of printing. Now the third process is special treatment. It is given to finish the fabric to make it fluffy or waterproof. or to stop it from shrinking or wrinkling. ये लास्ट प्रोसेस है. इसमें क्या किया जाता है, उसकी फिनिशिंग की जाती है, उसको वाटरप्रूफ बनाया जाता है ताकि वो श्रिंक भी नहीं हो और उस पर रिंकल्स भी नहीं आए. दिस गिव्स द फैब्रिक अ नाइस स्मूथ एंड शाइनी लुक. इसमें क्या होता है, फैब्रिक का क्लोथ का जो उसको नाइस स्मूथ और शाइनी लुक दी जाती है. नाउ फैब्रिक इज़ रेडी फॉर स्टिचिंग इनटू द क्लॉथ्स. अब फैब्रिक जो है रेडी हो गया है ताकि उसको क्लोथ्स में हम स्टिचिंग करवा सकें. लेट मी गिव यू द क्विक रिव्यू व्हाट वी हैव डन टुडे. We learnt about the clothes. Clothes are our basic needs. We wear clothes to cover our body, to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, etc., and to look smart. There are two types of fibers: plant fiber or animal fibers. These are called natural fibers because we obtain them naturally. Examples are cotton, wool, silk, etc. And the fibers which are made by human beings in factories with the help of chemicals are called man-made fibers like nylon, rayon, etc. There are 3 steps to make fiber to fabric. First one is spinning, then weaving, and then finishing of the fiber. In spinning, we change fiber into yarn. Then in weaving, we convert yarn into cloth. And in third step, that is finishing of the fiber, there are 3 processes. First one is dyeing, then printing, then special treatment is to be given to the fabric for giving it a shiny and smooth look. Thank you everyone. This was all for today.